Hello, my friends. This week in math, we are composing and decomposing numbers, and so many of you have already been doing that. But now we're going to start getting it into our brains and being able to answer things really quick, like super smart. So like 2 and 3 make 5, or 1 and 4 make 5. So let me build some block towers. If you have blocks like this at home and want to do it with me, you can. Otherwise, I have an activity for later that you'll be able to use blocks online to do this, okay? So let me build my first tower. Can you tell me how many blocks are in my tower? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 blocks in my tower. How many red blocks do I have? I have 2 red blocks. Can we see them? No, we can't see them right there. That's okay. How many white blocks? 3 white blocks. Now, just because they're separated, has the number changed? No. So how many blocks are there? 5. So 2 and 3 is 5, right? Let's try it again. How many blocks do I have? 5, right? I have 5 blocks. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many white blocks do I have? Just the 1, huh? How many red blocks do I have? 4. 4 red blocks. So 1 and 4 is how many? 5. Or you could say 5 is 4 and 1. I want you to give it a try at home, whether that's online or whether that is if you have cups and spoons that you want to count and add like this. I just want you to give it a try, but we're only going up to 5, okay? And you're only going to use 2 groups. So I'm not using any other colors. So I'm not using yellow or black or orange. I'm just using 2 colors, okay? Once you have tried it at home, so you can pause this video, go give it a try. We're gonna start going up to 10s, and I'm gonna keep going, okay? See if there's a way for you guys to be able to see this too. There we go. Ooh, will it stay upright? That's the question. All right, so let's see. How many blocks do we have in this tower? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 blocks all together. Now I'm gonna take them apart by the 2 groups. How many red blocks are there and how many white blocks are there? Let me scoot them back so you can see them. Well, they have the same amount, so let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 white blocks, which means there's 5 red blocks too. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red blocks. So has the number changed? How many blocks did we have all together in the beginning? 10. We had 10 blocks all together. So 5 and 5 is 10. Good job. Now let's try it again one more time. And we're going to change up the numbers this time, okay? Let's count. Let's count how many, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I'm going to take them apart by color, okay? how many white blocks do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 white blocks. Let's see. How many red blocks do I have? 1, 2. 2 red blocks. Now, has my number changed? Nope. How many blocks did I have altogether? There were 10, right? So 8 and 2, because remember there's 8 here, 8 and 2 is how many? 10. Or you could say 10 is 8 and 2. There are so many different ways. I could have 8 red blocks and 2 white blocks. I could have 9 white blocks and only 1 red blocks. Or I could have 10 white blocks and no red blocks. And for this one, it would be 10 is 10 and 0, right? Because there was nothing else added. Pretty neat, huh? All right, I want you guys to give that a try at home and see how many different combinations you can make. Start by going up to 5, so you want 5 blocks in total for the first time using 2 different sets. And then the next time, I want you to try it with up to 10 blocks, okay? Remember, only using 2 colors. See how many different combinations you can make.